Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to zoom in, zoom out when you are recording your system screen on Mac. So here you can see you need to open your system settings. You can click here. Once you click on this, this pop-up will open. Here you need to click on accessibility. Once you click here, multiple options will come again. Here click on zoom, then there are multiple check boxes here. You need to check all the boxes except the last one. Apart from this, you can select or modify the key which you can use to zoom in and zoom out. So available keys are control, option and command. So I'm comfortable with command, so that's why I have selected command key. So let me close it. So now let's say now you want to zoom into file. So what you have to do for that now, you have to keep your cursor over here and then press command and then scroll up. So this way you can zoom in and then you can do whatever stuff you want and you can record it. And when you want to zoom out, again press on command and scroll down. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.